Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate standard error in Excel. So let's get into the video. What you have to do first is we have to calculate a standard deviation and then square root for calculating a standard error. The formula is a standard deviation by square root. So let's calculate a standard deviation first, which formula is equals to STDEV, first bracket, select your cells, close it, divided by SQRT, first bracket, count, again put a first bracket and select the entire cells, again close it, then again close it, and here you can see the standard error is calculated. So this is how you can calculate a standard error. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Bye bye.